name is Hebe, and for this episode, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to connect Polygon onto your MetaMask. Okay, so now that we are on our web page, I'm using my Chrome extension for MetaMask, but you can always do it in your app. So firstly, you have to go here, wait for it to load. Okay, then you just have to click here, Ethereum mainnet, and click Add Network. Okay, so there's these fields that you need to put in. I'm gonna put the numbers on the screen now. So you guys can copy, or you guys can go to our article about this tutorial itself and copy the links from there. Okay, so I'm gonna add in all the details right here. This one, the network name can be decided by you, but I'm just gonna put Polygon. So all you have to do is click here, and then chain ID is 137. Currency symbol is Matic, and lastly, so this is the Block Explorer URL, and click save, and that's it. That's how you add Polygon into your MetaMask wallet. So if you look right here, you just have to click here, and you see Polygon is now added to an Ethereum mainnet. So this will be a critical step in helping you to get our follow tokens. So for the next tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to acquire Matic and then how to swap Matic into follow. So watch out for the next episode, and I'll see you next time. Bye!